plate with 10.
Are you going to count them?
1, 2, 1.
What comes after 2?
2, 1, 3, 1, 2. Basta!
Blast off.
Basta. Now let me.
What colors?
Green.
What's that color?
Orange.
What's that color?
Pink. Da-da.
Blue.
Blue. That's
What
like,
about that one?
that is
Brown?
brown.
What's this one?
Da-da.
Gold?
Gold.
What about that one?
Purple.
What about that one?
Yellow.
Yeah. Good job.
I'll put them all in my bucket.
You're going to put them all in your bucket?
Yes.
Cool.
There will be no gone.
They'll be all gone?
Yes.
What are they?
Mommy, all gone.
All gone. Is it time for your nap?
No, it's not time for my nap.
Is it time to go on the potty?
No, it's time to count.
It's time to count?
Yeah, it's time to count the colors.
Okay.
What word do we make?
What?
What word do we make?
What word do we make?
Sure.
What? Those aren't letters. We can't make a word.
I can make a word.
Okay.
I can make a word. Those are babies.
Those are your babies?
Yes.
Well,
But they are crying.
they're crying.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
I just need to give them the bottles.
Oh, yeah?
But those are enough for them.
Oh, they're not?
They're not. But I can give them some colors then.
Okay, you're going to give them colors to eat?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yellow. Blue. Oops. I've got brown.
You forgot brown?
Yes. I don't forgot.
Okay, it's time to change your diaper.
It's not time to change my diaper.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.